Hello everybody, heartily welcome to my channel. This is Sandeep. Namaste, Salam Alaikum. So in this video, I'm gonna share you why JBL 3.1 bar, the central speaker of the JBL 3.1 bar does not work. So in this video, I am speaking in English because the JBL 3.1 bar, you can find the JBL 3.1 bar worldwide. So this video is for worldwide viewer, so I can speak in English. So the main problem of the JBL 3.1 bar is the central speaker does not work. I purchased it, the JBL 3.1 bar, in 2019 in the month of April, and now the year 2020 September. So after a few months, I noticed that the central speaker of this JBL 3.1 bar does not work, and I was very shocked. Why this central speaker does not work? Was this the manufacturing defect? I tell you, this is not a manufacturing defect. It is everything okay. When I noticed that the central speaker does not work, and I write the email to the JBL customer care. So in the reply of the JBL team, they said to me, the speaker, when all speaker works when it connected with Dolby digital source, because this is the JBL 3.1 bar is Dolby digital sound, DTS, Dolby audio sound. This music system working with Dolby digital sound. So the JBL team said to me, this is not a manufacturing defect. When you connect it, the Dolby Digitals or DTS or Dolby Audio or Dolby Atmos source, then this bar works perfectly, because this bar has a 6 speaker. So this one tweeter, this one 2 speaker, and another is one tweeter, and 2 speaker here, 2 speaker here, and the last one speaker, and there the last one 2 tweeter, and here and here, here and here 2 speaker. So there are 6 speaker and 3 tweeters. So this is a 3.1 channel bar, and you can say here the JBL icon, and you can see here the JBL brand, and this is my JBL remote control, and this is the JBL sticker. Here the voice feel the bass. And here you can this device is Bluetooth enabled, HDMI and Dolby audio. If you connected this bar with this radio is not a Dolby Digital device. There are no hardware here. There are no driver, there are no hardware inside this radio with the manufacturing of the Dolby Digital. And if you use the smartphone here, because my smartphone I connected this device with smartphone via Bluetooth, and I am facing the same problem. Only 4 speaker and 2 speaker are work. This one and this speaker are work, and this does not work. Why? Because I connected this bar with this radio, this smartphone, because the smartphone has not a Dolby audio driver. And here the smartphone has no Dolby. If the smartphone has the Dolby audio driver, then you can see here the Dolby audio sticker or Dolby audio logo here, but you cannot find here the Dolby audio. And you can find here on the bar here the Dolby audio, or you can see the backside in this bar. Here you can see here Dolby audio. So this is this bar has a Dolby audio driver. So when you use the USB, this 3.1 bar does not work, and you can not feel the Dolby Digital sound, because now I am using the radio, the smartphone and the USB. You can see here the USB. You can see here the USB here. And now I will now I want to share you the sound from USB. I want to show you that now I am played this bar with USB that I showed you a few minutes ago, and this sound you cannot feel the Dolby Digital sound because you are hearing the sound from USB. If you want to feel the Dolby Digital audio, so you have to connect this system with Dolby Digital player. So I am show you that this bar. So I am show you the central channel does not work when this system played with USB or non Dolby Digital source. So I'm on pause this sound, and speaker. The sound is okay. Now another speaker is here. The sound, you can hear the sound. And the central speaker is here on the ZL, just over just inside the ZL bar. Can you hear the sound? So from here, the speaker, you cannot hear the sound. So that is why this JBL 3.0 does not work in the central channel. This is the main problem, because I'm playing this all bar with a non-Dolby Digital source. So I hope this video will help you more, because not for only me, every person who purchased this JBL 3.1 bar and using the smartphone USB and from headphone jack, and they are who are using the non-Dolby Digital sound, they are facing the same problem as I face. So don't think this is the manufacturing defect. This is a problem. The main problem of this bar is when this bar is connected to Dolby Digital source, then every speaker can work. So this video, I hope this video will help you and solve your problem. So thanks for watching this video. If you have any question about JBL 3.1 bar, please leave your comment on the comment box. I will try to give your answer. Thanks for watching. See you again. Bye bye.